I'm in Ipswich Old Cemetery and I'm looking for notable graves from this book. You can see there's two here with trains on the top. On the 25th of September 1900, John Barnard was driving a railway engine from Ipswich station, accompanied by his fireman William MacDonald. Just before they reached Westerfield station, the engine's boiler burst with a massive explosion, flying 120 feet through the air before hitting the ground and bouncing into a porter's hut, which shattered with the impact. Two of the train's wheels were buried in the ground. John was found 200 feet away, and William was discovered in a wagon at the end of the train. They were both probably killed instantly, and two people nearby were injured by flying debris. The inquiry found that the boiler had been leaking badly and the engine was not safe to drive. John and William's funerals were attended by 200 railway employees, and these graves stand on the west side of the footpath from Belvedere Road entrance to the cemetery chapels in Plot I.